Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lyanne. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel and thanks for tuning into this video. As you can see by the title, this is going to be a wig review-ish. I'm not really a wig reviewer. I just want to get into wearing wigs. I left my scissors, I think. But yeah, I want to get into wearing wigs. And I've been seeing a lot of, hype about the Outre HD hairline videos. So I got the one in Aries, and yeah, it's not really gonna be like a talk through video because like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of going by the stuff that I've already seen. So I'm gonna probably stop talking and it's pretty much gonna be like a voiceover video because babes, I can only do one thing at a time, okay? Like literally I have to focus. So yeah, I don't want to talk through it like I'm showing y'all something that y'all don't know already anyway. So yeah, it's gonna be a talk through, but I am going to show you guys the one that I got. So let me open this box, and I got this from Sam's Beauty. I think it was like $48 altogether. I got it in 1B. It's the Outre Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig. This is Aries. Also, if you notice, my hair is not like laid down as much as I would like it to be. I actually just washed my hair last night and put in some mini twists, and because I don't know what I'm doing, I figured like I'm not about to mess up my mini twist to put this on if I don't like it. So yeah, if I don't like it, obviously I could just take it off. Yeah, I don't have to worry about it. I am going to use the Got To Be Free Spray to lay it down. Hopefully it still lays flat enough. So yeah, I got my twist as flat as I could. Look, I don't know, we'll see. It's just something about like having to braid your hair down and be walking around with braids in your hair because you want to wear a wig that I'm just not into yet. I'm just not into wearing the Cleo braids outside all the time, or if I'm not wearing a wig. So that's why I don't want to braid my hair down just yet. But obviously if I really get into it, I'll start braiding my hair down and I'll make it flatter. But yeah, let's just get into it. This is just the little info tab that came with it. Again, it's just the 1B in the style Aries Outre Melted Hairline. Oh, and it has a 2x5 deluxe wide lace part, and it's a side part. This is the wig. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's giving very much not too bad. I don't know, like it's giving synthetic, but it's not too bad, if that makes sense. So yeah, the rest of this video, while I start putting this on, I'm gonna just go on and head over to my voiceover, so y'all just enjoy my voiceover me, okay? Okay, so boom, here we are doing this little weak ass install, and I'm gonna call it weak because it's weak. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. This is literally just me trying to like put on this little wig and get into like doing wigs or whatever, because I'm a natural girl and I get tired of doing my own hair all the time, so yeah, I'm trying to put this wig on. Obviously I don't know what I'm doing. Look at me putting a headband on the wrong way like an idiot. Like I don't even know who to put the headband, honey. That's how you know I don't be wearing wigs for real. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out which way this wig go or whatever. I figured it out. That's the thing. I figured it out. I didn't know what I was doing, but I figured it out though. That's all that matters, right? So yeah, I'm putting this little wig on. Whoop, it's on. So boom. Okay, let's nudge her down. Nudge her down, sis. No, nudge her down. There we go. Nudge her down because she's looking a little womp, womp, womp. So yeah, we got her on. We got her on. We got her on. You keep going, baby. Hair's out the way, baby. So I'm trying to pin her back because obviously I need to get ready to like lay her down. So we're gonna pin her back with some little clips or whatever. Get her out the way. You feel me? Get her out the way. Clip, clip it back. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just trying to like brush your back. You feel me? Like brush the little hairs back. What you doing? I'm trying to do a voiceover for my video. You messing it up.
What are you doing?
Okay, so anyway, y'all see me trying to cut the little lace off or whatever. And obviously, like, I couldn't cut the lace off while it was on my fat ass head. So I had to take it off, cut the lace off, and now I'm putting it back on. And yeah, that's where we are now. Sorry for the interruption. You know, people just don't know how to let you just do what you gotta do sometimes. You know, they gotta come in here and interrupt you. But it's okay. Like, he can interrupt me anytime. But anyway, so yeah, I got the wig back on my head. Look at me, frustrated. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Like, okay, yeah, so I got the wig back on. Sorry, y'all. Got the wig on. Now I'm trying to put on this Got to Be Free Spray. I put some on one tab. Now we're going to blow dry it because that's what y'all be doing in y'all's little videos. Y'all be blow drying. Just let it blow dry. Put it on cool, like y'all be doing. Now I'm going to pop over to the other side. Woo, woo. Free spray. Ooh, look at my face. Free spray. Now I'm going to blow dry it. Because again, that's what y'all do in y'all's videos. So yeah, I did that. Look at me, just looking stupid. Now I know what I'm doing. So now I'm like, the middle. Now let's talk about this middle part because literally, look at me spraying. I'm literally spraying the free spray all on the hair. And at the time, I didn't realize it, but like when I was editing the video, I was like, wow, this is why your shit was crunchy. Because you were literally spraying the free spray all in the hair. And I think when I was cutting off the lace, I didn't leave enough lace to be able to like adhere it to my head without getting the spray in my hair, which is why when I did it in the middle, it was all in my hair. So yeah, whatever. It was my first time. And it's okay. I think we'll see. So I'm just trying to like, you know, blow dry it down or whatever. So now I'm like, let me cut off these ear tabs because again, that's what y'all be doing in y'all's videos. So I'm like, let me cut my little ear tabs off. But mind you, it really was over my ear, so I needed to cut it off anyway. But that's what y'all be doing. Y'all be cutting off y'all's little ear tabs. So I'm like, let me cut off my ear tabs. You feel me? So I cut off the one ear tab. You feel me? Ooh, look at my little ear popping out. So I'm gonna cut off some more. Because my ears are small anyway. So let me cut off some more. Snip, 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 snip. Ooh, there it goes. And now I'm popping over to the other side, cutting off the ear tab over there because, you know, the ear tab was covering over there too. You see it just all over my little ear, honey. Mind you, when I plopped this wig on my head, I really didn't make sure it was on the right way, so whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna cut that off anyway. So now I'm like, ooh, look at my little sides. They down or whatever. Now I'm gonna try and pull out some baby hairs. Now mind y'all see me just free spray all of my hair down, right? So now I'm trying to like force out some baby hairs and I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm like, let me cut it. Nope, no, don't do that. What we gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna put some little edge control. But honey, why? Because that's not even an edge. Look at me trying to make some baby hairs or some edges out of the whole length of the hair and not like the actual edges or create, you know, edges. Because again, this is not a tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing, you know. Child, now I tried to put the scarf on and it wasn't scarf ready. Oh no, honey. Oh no. Okay, so now I'm like, ooh, let me just pop this little hair behind my ear, which I think is actually really cute. I like it behind my ear. If I knew what I was doing, it would be really, really cute. But yeah, so I put it behind my ear and now I'm trying to force out some more baby hairs. Again, all the hair that I freeze sprayed down. But I think I'm gonna cut it this time. Yeah, I'm gonna really cut it this time because I'm like, you know what, whatever, we might as well. You feel me? So I cut some little hairs and now I'm about to get some more little edge control. We're gonna make a little swoopity doop, a little swoop, a little swoop. Okay. I mean, it look kinda decent, like kinda decent. It's not cute. Listen, I said I didn't know what I was doing, so this is a disclaimer. Like, y'all know I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just taking y'all along with me because once I really get good, I want y'all to have a record of my progress. But yeah, now I'm putting my little scarf on because that's what y'all be doing. Y'all be laying the hair down, so I'm trying to like melt it, quote unquote. So I put a little scarf on. Now I'm just trying to show y'all the curls. The curls was okay. Let me tell y'all, this hair was tangly as fuck. It took me like 30 minutes after I had did all this. While that scarf was on, I was brushing all that hair out. It took me like 30 minutes to detangle this hair. It was so tangled. I should have got a straight wig because the fuck. But anyway, this is what it looks like after I took the scarf off. You know, looks decent or whatever on the side. I guess a little decent. You know, I'm just playing around with it. Yeah, girl, fix that little sideburn. Fix it up, cause that ain't it. Fix that little sideburn. Ooh, there we go. There we go. We fixed it a little bit. It's a little thicky thick, but it's okay. Cause again, I don't know what I'm doing, so whatever. It's a little thick, but it's fine. So now we're gonna fix the other side. Mind you, I ain't do no sideburns, no baby hairs, no nothing on that other side. I was just like, ooh, it got a swoop, so that's cool. So now I'm trying to I bought some concealer and it's the wrong color. Okay, y'all see me put my hands up because it was the wrong color. It was way too light. I don't even know why I bothered to put it on my little lace anyway. Like the lace was fine without it because it was the wrong color. Yeah, fuck that CoverGirl concealer. It was the wrong color. I should have got the darker one, but I was like, oh, I'm not that dark. I'm way lighter than that. Obviously, I wasn't. So anyway, this is what the hair looking like right now. Fuck this hair. That's how I feel. I'm gonna beat this hair up because I'm pissed. Look at all the white up there. Girl, just ashy. It's ash-tastic. Just looking crazy. Ash-tastic, boo. Ash-tastic. Y'all know I took this wig off as soon as this damn video was over. I was like, oh no. Yeah, I couldn't do it. I'm gonna insert a little bit of pictures, maybe, if I remember. And you know, feel free to let me know like how I could do better. Thanks, bye.